Hello, we are the representatives of Team Alpha Super Awesome Cool Dynamite Wolf Squadron, and we're going to present usability of Gmail applications. Is web version more efficient than mobile version? So, talking a little bit about the theoretical framework, we define some things like reading an email involves opening the application, accessing to the email, and reading it completely, including attached files and older emails in the same thread. And writing an email involves responding or forwarding or making one from scratch by writing the subject, receptors, and body. The user must be able to attach a file also.
About the hypothesis of the study, we suggest that users read emails more efficiently when using the Gmail mobile application, while writing them is more efficient when using the web version in a desktop computer.
So the study objective is to determine if users read emails more efficiently using the Gmail mobile application, and if they write emails more efficiently using the desktop version.
About the test users, we define a group that falls into the next categories. The sex is both women and men. The age group is from 50 to 70. The level of the education must be at least high school complete. The languages known is Spanish. The level of expertise is competent. This meaning that they are not experts in the applications, but they use it regularly. The experience is similar task any other email application like Outlook or any other Gmail, any other mail application.
So talking a little bit about the study resources, the resources we're going to need for making the test are a computer. The computer must have a Windows as operating system and an internet connection to a Chromium-based web browser. We also are going to need a smartphone that must have Android 7 Plus as operating system and the Gmail mobile application with the latest update. We're going to need also the testers will provide a Google account with Gmail to the ones being tested, and they are going to provide a set of email accounts to send the emails to. And the resources we're going to need for observation is just a chronometer to measure the time the user takes to complete the defined tasks.
About the test environment, the users will be evaluated in their own homes, so they will be in a familiar environment. They will be sitting in front of a table with the smartphone and the computer.
The methodology of observation is going to be that the observation will be directly with the user. This meaning that while they do the given task, the observers will be at their side taking time measurements of their actions. So it's a presential observation.
The materials about training and documentation for the users, they won't be needing any training or documentation. There is no of this required for this usability study, as users are not new to using Gmail, either in the mobile application or the web desktop version. Participants use both platforms regularly.
The specification of the test tasks are they have to read and unread email. They have to respond to it following the pre-made guide and attaching a file. Forward email to predefined account. Create new email following the pre-made guide. And respond to all the previously written mail writing the given body. A detailed version of this guide will be attached as a separate file in this delivery.
The materials are specific to the project. We'll be using the Gmail website, the Gmail mobile application, and a file stored in both computer and the smartphone. About other materials, such as informed consent, pre-questionnaire, and observation guide, these are defined more specifically in separate files.
So talking about the pilot test a little bit, we created an account that has pre-made threads and unread emails to test the reading and response using these emails. The same account will be used to test the writing of new emails, The subject, body, and receivers of the email will be in a pre-made guide that we talked about earlier. Time will be measured in this task to test efficiency. Considering the current context, all the users are relatively competent in the use of email applications, and the test is estimated to last approximately 10 minutes. This has been our presentation. Thank you very much.